Have you ever tried to find the address for a major company, only to be met with a dozen different results? It's a surprisingly common problem, especially for a company as large as TD. You might see references to locations in Toronto, New Jersey, and a whole list of other cities. So, what's the real answer? Where exactly is TD's headquarters? It all comes down to the distinction between TD Bank Group and its U.S. subsidiary, TD Bank, N.A. The parent company, the Toronto Dominion Bank, or TD Bank Group, has its global headquarters in Canada. Their main corporate office is at the Toronto Dominion Centre, located at 66 Wellington Street West in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. This is the central hub for their worldwide operations and executive leadership. But what about all the addresses in the United States? That's where TD Bank, N.A., comes in. This is the U.S. arm of the company, and its corporate office is located at 1701 Route 70 East in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. This office serves as the main center for all of TD's operations within the United States. So, if you're looking for the address of TD in the U.S., Cherry Hill is the one you need. It's a simple clarification that clears up a lot of confusion. Think of it this way: the global headquarters is in Toronto, overseeing the entire organization, while the U.S. headquarters is in Cherry Hill, managing all the American operations. This is a common structure for large multinational corporations, allowing them to have a central global command while maintaining regional headquarters to manage specific markets. Knowing the difference is key to understanding the company's structure and finding the right information. Whether you're a job seeker, an investor, or just a curious customer, having the correct address for the right part of the company is crucial. So, to recap, TD Bank Group's headquarters is in Toronto, Canada, and TD Bank, N.A.'s corporate office is in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. It's that straightforward.